One bad driver and no footage can turn a clean accident claim into a fight. In this video, we are ranking 5 of the best motorcycle dash cams, from budget dual camera setups to premium 4K systems with Sentry mode. Every pick here records front and rear footage riders can actually rely on. Insurance companies and courts increasingly expect riders to have this kind of proof. Stick around to find the right camera for your bike. Number 1. Budget Dual Camera Dash Cam, 720p 3-inch screen. This budget dual camera dash cam opens the list as the most affordable way to add real footage to any bike. A 3-inch IPS screen mounts to the handlebars so riders can check footage without pulling out a phone. Both the front and rear cameras record in 720p, enough resolution to read license plates in good light. A 150-degree wide-angle lens captures more of the road than narrower budget options. The included 32GB card is enough for hours of loop recording before it needs swapping. IP67 waterproofing means rain and road spray won't interrupt a ride. Night vision keeps footage usable after dark, though detail drops compared to the pricier cameras later in this guide. A built-in G sensor automatically saves footage when it detects a sudden impact. Parking mode keeps recording even when the bike is stopped and locked. A single button controls power and recording, keeping the learning curve minimal. Setup takes a few minutes, with no app or account required to start recording. The plastic housing feels basic next to metal-bodied options, but it holds up fine day to day. Most buyers find the picture quality acceptable for daily commuting, not extended highway trips. Most riders eventually outgrow this camera once they want GPS or higher resolution. That simplicity makes this the easiest entry point for a first-time dashcam buyer. Anyone who just wants basic footage without extra features should start their search here. Number 2. VSYSTO Wi-Fi Motorcycle Dashcam. The VSYSTO Wi-Fi Motorcycle Dashcam steps up to full 1080p recording on both the front and rear cameras. A 130-degree wide-angle lens balances a broad field of view with minimal distortion at the edges. Starlight night vision technology captures noticeably more detail after dark than basic budget cameras. Wi-Fi connectivity lets riders pull footage directly to a phone without removing the memory card. That convenience matters most for riders who want to check footage right after a close call. 2-channel recording covers both directions at once, so nothing happening behind the bike goes unrecorded. The 2-channel setup covers blind spots a single forward camera would miss entirely. A built-in G sensor locks footage automatically the moment it detects a hard impact or crash. Loop recording keeps the card from filling up during long touring days. The mounting hardware includes enough adjustment to fit most handlebar and mirror stem configurations. That flexibility saves a trip to the hardware store during installation. Firmware updates arrive through the companion app, keeping features current over time. The system mounts securely enough to handle vibration from rough roads without footage blur. This camera suits riders who want dependable Wi-Fi convenience without paying for GPS or 4K resolution. It is a strong middle ground pick between the basic opener and the premium systems ahead. Riders upgrading from a phone-mounted action camera will notice the difference in reliability right away. Number 3. Akio 710 Pro. The Akio 710 Pro crosses over between a dash cam and a helmet-mounted action camera. It records at 4K resolution and 28 frames per second, with a 20-megapixel sensor for sharp still detail. Electronic image stabilization keeps footage smooth even over rough pavement or gravel sections. A 142-degree wide-angle lens captures a wider field of view than most dedicated dash cams. Wi-Fi connectivity lets riders preview and transfer footage without removing the camera from its mount. Helmet mounting opens up angles a handlebar-only camera simply can't capture. That versatility appeals to riders who post ride footage as much as those who want a safety record. The compact housing adds minimal weight to a helmet, even on longer rides. IP66 waterproofing holds up against rain, though it's rated slightly below the full IP67 cameras in this guide. Night vision performance benefits from the higher resolution sensor, keeping detail visible in low light. Riders comparing footage side by side notice the resolution advantage almost immediately. A built-in G sensor and parking mode carry over the safety features expected at this level. The included 64GB card gives riders plenty of runway before storage becomes a concern. This camera suits riders who want dash cam reliability with the flexibility of helmet mounting. It's the pick for anyone who films rides for content as much as for insurance protection. Number 4. INNOVV K7. The INNOVV K7 targets riders who want serious footage quality paired with real security features. Both the front and rear cameras record at 2K resolution, a clear step up from the 1080p systems earlier in this guide. Electronic image stabilization smooths out engine vibration and rough road texture automatically. A 24-hour Sentry mode keeps recording while the bike is parked, protecting against tip-overs and tampering. Emergency autosave triggers instantly when the system detects a hard impact, locking that footage before it can be overwritten. Built-in GPS logs speed and location alongside the video for a complete record of any incident. That kind of documentation carries real weight with insurance adjusters after a claim. The dual 2K feed also holds up well when footage needs zooming in after an incident. That extra resolution can make the difference when reading a plate or a road sign. The companion app connects over Wi-Fi, letting riders review footage without pulling the memory card. IP67 waterproofing handles rain, washdowns, and long rides in changing weather without issue. Riders installing this system typically spend more time on mounting than on setup. Storage support up to 512 GB means months of footage before anything needs deleting. This system suits touring riders and daily commuters who want their bike protected even while parked. Anyone who has dealt with a hit-and-run or a tampered bike will understand the value of Sentry mode immediately. Number 5. Vantrue F1. The Vantrue F1 closes this list as the most complete dashcam system available for a motorcycle. The front camera records in full 4K, while the rear camera captures 1080p for reliable coverage in both directions. A full-body IP67 waterproof design protects the entire unit, not just the lens housing, through rain and washdowns. Built-in GPS and Wi-Fi log location data while enabling wireless footage transfer to a phone. A 160-degree wide-angle lens captures a wider view than every other camera in this guide. Night vision performance stays sharp thanks to the higher resolution front sensor gathering more available light. A wired remote lets riders start, stop, or lock footage without reaching for a phone mid-ride. Build quality feels noticeably sturdier than the budget options earlier in this guide. That durability matters for riders who ride through all 4 seasons. Few competitors match this combination of resolution, storage, and waterproofing in one unit. Parking mode and G-sensor protection carry over from the systems earlier in this guide, refined further here. Storage support reaches 512 GB, matching the top-tier option among these picks. This system suits serious riders who treat their dashcam as essential safety equipment, not an accessory. For anyone who wants the sharpest footage and the most complete feature set, this is the last camera on this list you will need. That is 5 of the best motorcycle dashcams, covering budget screen-equipped models, Wi-Fi convenience picks, and premium 4K systems with Sentry mode. Match your camera choice to how you actually ride, not just the spec sheet. Daily commuters can start with a simple dual-camera setup. Touring riders benefit more from GPS and Sentry mode. Review footage regularly, not just after an incident, to catch storage or mounting issues early. Check your bike's available mounting points before ordering any camera on this list. If one of these picks fits your setup, the links are in the description below. Which dashcam are you installing next? Let us know in the comments.